Spring Boot is the industry standard and the easiest way to build production-ready Java web apps. Hopefully, it will only take me 100 seconds to convince you that it's worth learning in 2025. And if I do, check the top link in the description. What is a Spring Boot then? Spring Boot is a Java framework for building web applications and APIs. It's built on top of the Spring framework, but provides sane defaults and configurations, and also embedded servers. Let me show you how simple it is. To create a Spring Boot application, visit start.spring.io. Select your build tool, in my example Gradle Kotlin, language Java, select your versions and name your project. Then click Add Dependencies, search for Spring Web and click Generate. Open the downloaded project in your chosen editor. I use NeoVim, by the way. Open the application class. This is our entry point to our application. Now I will create new file and I will create our first entry point for our application. So let's do it. And now if we run our application using this command, create dev boot run, or if you're using Maven, you can use this command mvnv spring boot run, and without this. And now let's visit localhost 8080 and we can see our hello world is working. Here is the next video, YouTube things you should watch, and till next time, create some amazing applications.